In this video, I will show you how to use colors and textures in Sweet Home 3D. Let's start with the wall materials and colors. To get started, let's create a simple wall. Just go to the toolbar, click on the Create Walls button, and draw a simple wall. As a general rule, you can apply different colors and textures to each side of the wall. But the software doesn't know which side is the interior or exterior side of the room. Instead, it uses only the left and the right side of the wall. The side direction is determined by the direction in which the wall was drawn. You can see this from the small arrow displayed at the end of the wall. This means this is the right side and this is the left side of your wall. Now click on the Select tool and double-click on this wall segment. Here, you can add different colors and textures to the left side and the right side of your wall. For example, click on this color option here and click on this button. Select color, then click OK. Now go to the right side. Choose color, click on this button, and select a different color. Once it's done, just click OK. As you can see, different colors appeared on your wall. As the next step, replace these colors with textures. Double-click on the wall again, and instead of color, select texture. Then click on this button. In this window, you can choose from many different materials. Just scroll down and select wall bricks. Then click OK. To add the texture to the right side of your wall, select texture in this section, then click on this button here. Then scroll down again and select the roughcast material here. Then click OK again. Once it's done, click OK. And that's it, the new textures have been added to your wall. If you want to change your texture scale or position, you can also do this in the same Modify Walls window. Just double-click on your wall and go back to Texture. And by adjusting the scale, you can make your pattern larger or smaller. For example, change it to 200%. By adjusting the angle value, you can rotate your materials around its center to change its orientation. While with the offset, you can move your material horizontally or vertically. After these changes, just click OK twice. Now the bricks became twice as large and became rotated by 45 degrees. Just double-click on the wall segment again. And here you can make your material shiny. This is visible only in the final render and not in the 3D view. With these buttons here, you can add baseboards to your wall. Just click on the button, select Add Baseboard, then select a color. In this section, you can adjust the size of the baseboard and add the same baseboard to the other side of the wall as well. Once it's done, just click OK twice. Here you can find the small yellow baseboard at the bottom of your wall. Just go back to the Modify window once again. Just double-click on your wall segment, and in this section, you can change the pattern of your wall in the 2D view and its top color in the 3D view. Just select a color from this list or from here Then click OK. It's also good to know that you can modify multiple walls at the same time. To do this, just select the wall segments you want to modify, then right-click and choose Modify Walls. Here, you can set the same colors, textures, or parameters for all wall segments you have selected. After the changes, just click OK. Next, we will talk about floor materials and colors. To get started, just delete these walls and create a new room. Once it's done, go to the toolbar, click Create Rooms button, then double-click inside the room. This creates a new floor. As the next step, go to the toolbar and click Select Tool and double-click the floor. In this Modify Rooms window, you can change the color and texture on your floor, ceiling, and the wall sides around the room. Let's start with the floor texture. Select this texture option here and click on this button. Then select the floor material from this list. Once it's done, click OK. You can also add the color or texture to your ceiling. Here, for example, select Color, click this button, and select the color. Then click OK. In this section, you can also add the texture to the walls around the room. Just select the texture, click this button, scroll down, and select, for example, wall ties. Set the scale to 200%, then click OK twice. Now the new textures appeared on the floor and the walls. The ceiling is invisible in this view. If you want to check the ceiling, just right-click your mouse in the 3D view, then select Virtual Visit. Next, move this small icon inside the room, then move your cursor into the 3D view, click and hold down the left mouse button, and move your view around. Here, you can see the ceiling which is already visible in this view. If you want to turn it off, just double-click on the floor and uncheck this Display Ceiling option. Then click OK. Now go back to the standard top view. If you want to use different materials on your wall, you can simply split it into different sections. Just select the wall you want to split, then right-click and choose Split Wall. Now your wall is already split in two separate parts. Just double-click on one of the segments and add the texture to it. Then click OK. Now do the same on the other segment as well. You can add the smaller room to the existing room by drawing two wall segments. Just select the wall tool and draw two wall segments. If you want to use a different floor and wall materials in this room, you also have to split and adjust these external walls. To do this, click on the first one, right-click on the wall, select Split Wall, then zoom in, and move this endpoint to the side of the new wall. Now we have two different wall segments with the proper length. Do the same process on the other external wall as well. Just right click, select split wall, and adjust its length. Once it's done, you have 4 separated wall segments around the new room. To add the new texture to it, just select all of them, right-click, modify walls, and apply a texture on the right side of the walls. Select this button here, and choose a different material. Then click OK. Click OK again. If you want to change the floor material as well, just go to the toolbar, click Create Rooms, then go to the new room, double-click the left mouse button, then right-click, modify rooms, and add the texture to it here. Select, for example, this wooden floor texture, then click OK. You can also change the materials of these walls here in this section. Just select a different texture, then click OK. Once it's done, click OK again. If you want to add textures to these walls as well, just go to the Select tool, select the wall segments, right-click, modify walls, select texture on the left side, click this button, select the same blue tiles, the 200% scale, then click OK twice. If you want to create a new floor on this area, just click on the old one, click Delete key, then go to Toolbar, select Create Rooms option, then double-click the left mouse button. Now right-click with the mouse, modify rooms, select texture, click this button, and add the texture to it. Click OK twice. The advantages of this method is that now you can modify the texture of these walls with the Modify Floor window. Besides walls and floors, you can also change the materials on doors and windows as well. Just go to the Furniture catalog, select Doors and Windows, and add the double window to your plan, and add an open door as well. To get a better view, right-click in the 3D view with the left mouse button and select Virtual Visit. As the next step, double-click on the window and go to Materials, Modify, and here you can change the material of the frame. To add the texture to it, select Texture, click this button, and select a texture from the list. Then click OK. Now double-click the door, go to Materials, Modify, and here you can set different texture for the door and the handle. Select the door, go to Texture, click this button, select the material, then click OK. Now select the handle, select the texture again, and set a different material to it. Now click OK twice. It's also good to know that wall openings created from service hatches can also use custom colors and textures. Just add the service hatch to your plan, make it larger, and double click on it. Select materials and modify. Here, you can apply colors and materials to the wall reveals around the opening. Just select your color or material and click OK twice. You can also change the colors and textures of furniture and their different parts. Just add a few pieces of furniture to your plan, for example, some sofas and a coffee table. Go to the furniture catalog, select living room, and add the coffee table and the sofa to your plan. Let's double-click one of the sofas. In this Modify Furniture window, go to the Color and Texture section. Here, you can add colors, textures, and materials to your object. First, let's add the color to it. Select this color option, click this button here, and select a color. Then click OK twice. Now the software set the same color on the entire object. Now let's double click on the coffee table and take a closer look at the texture and the materials options. If you select texture and click on this button, you can set the same material on the entire object. Just select one of the materials here and click OK twice. If you want to add different textures to the different parts separately, then double-click on the object and select Materials. Then click Modify. For a better view, you can enlarge this window and zoom in with your mouse. Now you can select the different parts of the object in this preview window or even in this list. In the preview, the software shows you which part of the object is selected. Just select this one and click on Texture and click this button. Now select the material and click OK. The key advantage of this preview window is that you can check the changes on your materials here. For example, adjust the scale of this material. Go back to Texture and set the scale to 200. Then click OK. If the preview looks good, just click OK to finalize the changes. If you have more identical furnitures, you can modify them at the same time. Just select them, then right-click, Modify Furniture, and go to Materials, Modify, and set a different color to the legs. Then click OK 3 times. If you downloaded the import texture libraries from Sweet Home 3D or any external sources, you can get many new textures for your project. Here, you can see some examples of different materials, which are available in the official Sweet Home 3D texture libraries. To continue learning, check out the next video here. And if you are new, start with the beginner course playlist.